Welcome to Activity 44. In this activity, we will be developing the concept of using place value to add and subtract 10 and 1 from these numbers. You will need to have 2 of each bomb block from 1 to 10, as well as 2 additional linear 10s. If you've purchased original boards, please remember to place them in a write and wipe sleeve. This game is very similar to the last. It's a little harder in that we don't have a line ruled to remind you to place your 10s on this side and your 1s on this side. When we begin, we place the start number, making sure that the placement of the blocks matches the order we write. So this one is worth 10, which matches this block, and on this side the 9 is worth 9. We don't place them in that order because that wouldn't match the order the digits are written in. Player 1 goes first. They spin and they say the start number 19 subtract 10 equals 9, and they record their answer. Player 2 has their turn. They build the start number, spin the spinner, and they say 19 add 10 equals 29, and they record the 29. And for this round, player 2 won, so they circle the win, and you can see they won by 20. For the next round, player 1 builds the start number of 18, flicks the spinner, and they get to add 1. 1 more is 9. They say 18 add 1 equals 19. Player 2 has their turn. They build the start number of 18, flick the spinner, and they get subtract 1. 1 less is 7, and they say 18 subtract 1 equals 17, and they record their score. And this player won for this round. Now it's your turn.